It is a beautiful day to show you this new listing we've got coming up. It is a 3-bedroom semi-detached property located on Avondale Drive in Salford M6. Benefits from a double-storey extension to the rear, providing 3 double bedrooms. As you can see to the front, it's got a nice low maintenance garden and the potential for off-road parking as well. Let's take a look inside. As we head inside, on your right, open on up into the lounge, which benefits from sliding doors to the garden at the rear. And we flow on through. It's really nice. Modern kitchen diner with nice glossy units. It also provides access to the garden at the rear, which, as you can see, benefits from the sun. It provides a lot of scope for you to put your own stamp on it and make it your own. The property is within easy access of Light Oaks Primary School and several well-kept parks, including Buell Hill Park, Oakwood Park and Light Oaks Park as well, making it a great family location. As we head upstairs, on your first right, we've got this modern 3-piece family bathroom. To the front of the property, first of the 3 double bedrooms, second one just through here, and finally, benefiting from the extension, is the 3rd bedroom. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.